Well, hello people, yeah, especially my students of grade 6, yeah, welcome back again. How's life? I hope your life is always great during this pandemic situation, and especially, yeah, during this pandemic situation, you have to stay strong and healthy, yeah, wherever and whenever you are. Talking about health and strength, yeah. There are many ways to keep you healthy and strong. And how do we keep our health? Yeah. So this is what we are going to talk about today, especially about the Betawi culture. Yeah. So let's take a look at this picture. How do you call that drink? Yeah. Yep, correct. This is called Bir Pletok. Yeah. What comes to your mind when you hear about beer? And then what are the advantages of the drink? And do you know how to make it? Yeah, I'll explain how to make it later. Right guys, this is called Bir Pletok. And yeah, this is very good for your health because it contains herbal ingredients, yeah, herbal ingredients such as, yeah, you know, I'll explain later. And why is it good for your body? Alright, when you hear about beer, yeah, what comes to your mind? Well, correct. Beer is also alcoholic beverage. But Bir Pletok, it is not an alcoholic drink. Yeah, it is alcohol free because it contains, yeah, it is made of herbal materials. Yeah. So the first one, yeah, why do the people from Europe or the United States, why do they like to drink alcohol or beer? Yeah, the first reason is because the place where they live, yeah, they live in European countries or in the United States, and those places are very cold during winter, so it is very necessary for them to drink alcohols to warm their body. Now, but most people in Indonesia, yeah, they drink alcohol to, you know, I don't know why. People in Indonesia drink alcohol to get drunk, yeah. So there is a misconception, yeah. So the white people drink alcohol because of the condition of their place, but in Indonesia, the people, they drink alcohol because they just want to get drunk, yeah. That's the reason why they drink alcohols. Right. Now, how is the origin of the Bir Pletok itself? Yeah, let's go back to the Dutch colonialism era, yeah, when the Dutch occupied Indonesia. And at the time, they also brought one of their cultures, yeah. And one of their culture was they like to drink alcohol, yeah. So the Dutch at the time, they maybe they told the local people that they like to drink alcohols, and the Betawi people were probably astonished, yeah. Oh, the Dutch, they like to drink alcohols, but we don't drink alcohols, yeah. So the Betawi people were so interested in the Dutch culture because maybe they thought that the Dutch culture was very new for them. But on the other hand, yeah, most Betawi are Muslims, and in their religion, yeah, Muslim religion, it is not allowed to drink alcohols. Yeah, because most of Betawi people are Muslims, so they couldn't drink alcohols. Now, but maybe deep down in their heart they wanted to have that kind of culture, yeah. So they also wanted to drink beer. So they decided to make a non-alcoholic special drink, which is now called Bir Pletok. Yeah. So they made another kind of beer, which doesn't contain alcohol at all. Yeah, no alcohol for Muslims. That's why they made another kind of beer, which is called Bir Pletok, which doesn't contain alcohol. Okay, next. Now maybe you are wondering, why is it called Pletok? Yeah, why is it called Pletok? Yeah. The word Pletok, it is just a sound, yeah. When you open the bottles lid of the Bir Pletok, yeah, it will produce sound, yeah. It will sound Pletok, yeah. Like, you know, when you open maybe a bottle of Coca-Cola and then you will try to open the lid, and it will produce a sound, yeah. In this case, yeah, the bottle of Bir Pletok produces Pletok, yeah, Pletok sound. So like that, yeah, you understand, right? Okay, now how can we make the Bir Pletok? Yeah, so if you want to make Bir Pletok by yourself, you need herbal ingredients, yeah, that you can buy at the grocery store or market, yeah, supermarket or market, local market. How to make it? Now the first, yeah, you need several or some ingredients. The first one is called, this is ginger, jahe, and then alright, next one you need clovers, tangke. Next one you need screw point leaves, or we usually call it daun pandan. And then you need cinnamon, kayu manis. Next one, kayu secang. I don't know how to call this one in English because I could not find the English word of this ingredient. Yeah, let's just call it kayu secang. Bunga lawang flowers. I don't know, I'm not sure. That's why I just wrote it in Indonesian. And then cardamom, kapulaga, and then lemongrass, serai, black pepper, lada hitam, and then last one sugar. Yeah. So here I just wrote the ingredients that you're gonna need to make Bir Pletok, but I don't know how much that we will need. Yeah, I don't know how much that we need. So maybe you can just search on the internet and find the recipe of how to make Bir Pletok, or maybe you can find it on your PLBJ book. Let's see. Oh, it's just the, you know, the ingredients. Yeah, can you see that? It is not written how much that you need. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, so how do we make it? We need steps. Yeah, the first step, first prepare all the ingredients to make the Bir Pletok, and then rinse the ingredients until they are clean. Rinse means you have to clean the ingredients, yeah, or wash the ingredients with flowing water. Second one, boil 2 liters of water until it boils. Here just use a pan, yeah. Third, put all ingredients into the pan. So you put all of them. into the boiling water, and then after that stir. You mix the ingredients. Stir all the mixed ingredients and leave it for a while until you can smell the scent of the ingredients. The scent is the smell. You know, when your mom cooks delicious dishes, it will smell very good. The ingredients will smell so good. It goes the same with this Bir Pletok. So when you try to boil all the ingredients together in a pan, so you're going to smell the scent. Next one, lift up the pan and you may add sugar. Lift up the pan and you may add sugar into your ready-made Bir Pletok. Sugar here, you can use the white sugar, or gula Jawa. How do you call it? What is the English word of that? I forgot. And the last one, finally, the Bir Pletok is ready to drink while it's hot or with ice cubes. So there are two ways to drink the Bir Pletok. You can use ice cubes, so it will be very refreshing for your body, or you can just drink it while it's still hot. Alright guys, so I've explained all things about Bir Pletok. So what have I explained? The first one, so I've explained about the origin of the Bir Pletok, and second one, I've explained how to make the Bir Pletok in English. Alright guys, and for the last one, I want you to write down any important information that you have heard from my explanation. Just write the things that you have heard today, like the origin of the Bir Pletok, and then the steps and the ingredients of the Bir Pletok. You may write the notes about them on your notebook or on a piece of paper. And for next week, I'll ask you how to make the Bir Pletok. And the last one, that's all for today. That's all for today. Thank you very much for listening and watching to my video. I hope you have understood, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.